Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to merge videos using VLC Media Player. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to this channel to stay updated. So once you open VLC Media Player, navigate to Media and then select Open Multiple Files. Here under File, click on the Add button, and here in Downloads I have 3 videos that I want to merge, so I'm going to select them all, then Open. And at the bottom here, I'm going to click on this little arrow and select Convert. So once we open this window, under Settings Convert, make sure you select the format MP4. And at the bottom, click on Append. So our output files will have this dash converted. So we can easily distinguish between original files versus converted ones. And the reason we convert our original files is because VLC can only merge videos when they have the same format, resolution, codec, and frame rate. So once you do this, click Start, and here at the bottom you will see the progress. So now VLC is converting the original videos under the same format. So one is done, now the second one is progressing, and here is the third one. Okay, so once VLC completes the conversion, I'm going to open this folder. So here in Downloads, I have my original files, and here I have the ones with dash converted. Okay, now the next thing we have to do is we have to rename all these 3 converted files with different names. So depending on how you want to put them in a sequence, you have to call them, let's say if I want this video to be first one after I merge them, I'm going to call it 1. Then if I want this one to be the second video after I merge it, 2. And this one is going to be the last one, 3. Okay, this is our converted videos. So it will start with this one, then this one, and then that one. So next thing we have to do is I'm going to open this node file. And we'll have to use this command. Now, the way this command works, it looks long, but it's actually quite simple. Here at the beginning, we just have to insert the correct location of our VLC media player. And the way to confirm VLC location is you can just navigate to Start in Windows PC, type in VLC. Once you find VLC, just right-click and open File Location. Then here, click on VLC Media Player, open Properties, and this is our location. Okay, so just make sure you copy this entire location, including the double quotes. Okay, and once you do that, you may have to replace it with this one. So in my case, the VLC sits under Program Files, VideoLAN VLC, vlc.exe. And next 3 things are just our videos. So if you have also 3 videos that you want to merge, you have to call them like this: 1.mp4, 2.mp4, 3.mp4. If you only have 2 videos, you can remove one of these. If you have more videos, you can add additional lines here. Okay, and then the rest of the command here can stay the same. So next we have to copy this command, go back here to Downloads folder, and here in the address bar, type in CMD, hit enter, and once you open CMD, just paste that long command, okay, and hit enter. Now you should see VLC Media Player opening, and that means it's a good sign. So VLC is going to start merge operation. Now if you go back to Downloads folder, if I refresh this folder, we still don't see the merge output file. It may be that VLC is taking quite a while to process this operation, so we just have to wait a bit longer. And the only problem with this, oh there you go, that's merged, appearing now. And the only problem with VLC merging is that VLC doesn't really tell us the progress. So you may see VLC like this, nothing is happening on the on this bar, There's no indications as to how the merging is going, and the only way we can confirm is by going to downloads folder and observing if the merge file appeared here. That's already a good sign. And also, if you hover over the file, you will see size. If the size is 0 bytes, that means the merge is still ongoing. Now, if the size is anything above 0 bytes, it could mean that the merge has completed. So at this moment, I can see that the size is 5.01 megabytes, and depending on how long your videos are, or depending on the size of your video, size and quality, it could take minutes or even hours if you're on really long files, really heavy files. So in this case, I have my files just a few megabytes in size. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to close these VLC media players, assuming the merge is completed. And as soon as I close VLC Media Player, you will notice that this merged file gets updated with an image inside. That's a good sign. So now if I double click and open this video, so this is our video number 1, right? Then next one should be this one, and the last one is the bird in red. So that's our video number 1, that was our video number 2, and that was our video number 3. And that's all, guys. This is how you merge videos using VLC Media Player. I hope this was useful. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.